Hello guys, welcome back. And this is your 10th generation farmer. As today I'm in my farm, I'm showing everything. And I'm showing a beautiful lake, everything. And this is a tuber crop. And in Kannada, they say this is a skese or shembu. And I don't know the name in English. So I will research it about. And this is known as shembu in Kannada. But there is no scientific name in English. I will research soon and I will let you know this name in English. And this is a very good food. And this has several proteins, vitamins and things. And many more. And as you see, this how big is this? Hello guys, this is known as turmeric and it is antibody where it is used in several medicines and cosmetics, and it has been grown with a completely organic, and it has been a completely organic crop. There is no use of chemical pesticide or insecticide. Only we are given a cow dung cake and we have been grown. ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಕೋಡಿಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೀರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರೋದು. ಯಾವುದೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಲಾಪ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಲಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಚಿಂಟು ವಿಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್. Hello guys, welcome back. I am 10th generation farmer and I am walking around my farm, and this is my ginger farm, and you can see back there is a beautiful lake, and I've been grown here, so it has made me a 10th generation farmer. And you can see how beautiful it is and see how amazing it is. Soon there will be a video on how to grow ginger and to get high yield. And there will be a soon video on how to harvest tobacco leaves. Hello guys, welcome to 10th generation farmer. And I am in my farm. As you can see, I am in ginger farm, and just wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.